Okay, decimal division. Let's start with 8.96 divided by 1.6. We could also say 8 and 96 hundredths divided by 1 and 6 tenths. But let's just stick to point because the big deal about this is where our decimal point is located. You're going to rewrite this with the division house. The divisor is going to go outside the door. So I'm going to have 1.6 outside the door of my division house. And I have my dividend inside in the den. Once we have it set up in our division house, we want to make a really big deal about our decimal point. So I'm going to pop these bingo chips on there. This one is lighter, this one is darker. The one inside the house is the shadow. We need to move this decimal point all the way to the right towards the light. So he's going to move one hop to the right. Remember, he is the shadow. The one inside the division house is the shadow. So he's also going to move one hop to the right. So now my decimal point is here. Get rid of that one. And my decimal point is here. Get rid of that one. And he is ready to move into the light. So we're going to actually pop him up on the roof, give him a moment in the sunshine. So he is now having his moment in the sun. He is in the light. We move to the right, into the light. Now that our decimal point is up in the light, we are ready to do our division. How many times does 16 go into 8? Nope, it doesn't. How many times does 16 to go into 89? Well, let's try 5. 5 times 6 is 30. Put down my 0. Here's my 3. 5 times 1 is 5. Add my 3 is 80. That works. Okay, does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Divide, multiply, subtract. So 89 minus 80 is going to give me 9. And then bring down my 6. And now I'm going to do 16 into 96. 5 times 16 was 80. So if we want 96, oh, let's see if it's 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Put down my 6. I can just reuse that 3. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 3 is 9. And that's it. My answer is 5.6. If we want to be technical, because this was a division problem, your quotient is 5.6 or 5 and 6 tenths. Key takeaway is your decimal points. Remember, he is moving to the right to the light, and his shadow inside the house is moving the same way. The shadows, they move at the same rate, the same amount of hops. So you move your decimal into the light, and then your shadow gets its moment up on the roof in the sunshine.